Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be going over my personal technique for blending. Now, it's super easy and it's super fun in my opinion. We're going to be using the Smudge Tool and a soft airbrush that comes with a Procreate pack. So everyone has it. It's super easy, super fun. Let's just get into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our Smudge Tool, top right hand corner, and we are going to make the brush pretty small. I like working with a smaller brush rather than a bigger brush because I feel like it gives you more precision. And I have the opacity set pretty high, and I'm just moving softly around where I've laid down the darker purple. And from left to right in a flicking motion, I'm just pulling around the dark purple to soften everything up. So I'm just pulling from the center of the purple and I'm pulling it out. And I'm going to do another petal. Starting from the center, pulling down, pulling down. It's really easy. And then just blurring out some lines that I think are a little too harsh. And then I'm just going to repeat the process on each petal. It's time consuming, but I feel like it stylizes and it really makes your piece pop.